Checking the body temperature using a thermometer is an easy way to see if a fever is present. A fever is nothing but a rise in the body temperature and is usually caused by an infection. Even though fevers are not comfortable for anyone, fever is a sign that your body is fighting off infection. When to check your body temperature? If you feel sick or if you think you might have come into contact with someone who has COVID 19, you can check your temperature. When you are in home isolation or quarantine, you check your body temperature every 6 to 8 hours or based on the advice of your doctor. What is the normal body temperature? Normal body temperature varies by person, age, activity, and time of the day. It ranges from 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit. Average is 98.6. When do you say that you have fever? In adults, fever is considered as temperature of 100.4 degree Fahrenheit or more. There are different types of thermometers that are available in the market. So, thermometer is an instrument that we use to check the body temperature. Before using, make sure that you read and follow the instructions that come with the thermometer. Sometimes your thermometer uses batteries. Check them. Sometimes if you have a weak batteries, that can give inconsistent readings. A digital thermometer is the most accurate and the quickest way to take a temperature. They are usually available in the medical stores, pharmacies, or you can purchase online too. Make sure that you read the package instructions while using any thermometer. There are different ways you can check your temperature. The most commonly used method is oral. In this method, the thermometer is placed under the tongue. It is used for adults and children 4 years or more who are able to hold the thermometer in their mouth. Auxiliary temperature is a method where the thermometer is placed in the armpit. It is usually used in younger children or in adults whose temperatures cannot be safely done orally. Rectal temperatures are usually taken in babies. In some cases, we do use ear and forehead to check the body temperature.